We can't decide between the traditional creamy macaroni salad or a fill-you-up Cobb salad. Well, today Howard shows us the best of both worlds with his Cobb macaroni salad in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With all the summertime cookouts, backyard bashes, and family get-togethers, deli salads are always on the top of the what to serve list. But even the best of them can get pretty boring after a while, so we came up with one that is a cross between the best macaroni salad and a fill-you-up Cobb salad. We start by cooking some elbow macaroni like usual and draining them really well. While it cools, we cut up a couple of hard-boiled eggs because no Cobb salad is complete without them. Now, to the pasta, we add diced deli ham, a bit of cheddar cheese, along with some cut up red pepper, celery, avocado, and a bit of crumbled bacon. This gets combined with the dressing we made by mixing together some mayo with a splash of vinegar, a little sugar, and a touch of salt. Garnish this with the hard-boiled eggs and more crumbled bacon, and it's ready to serve. And unlike most pasta salads, this is hearty enough to be a meal in itself. I really do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for what we call Cobb macaroni salad, so you can serve it at your next shindig. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty new way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Hey, you stole my
I'd grill up a little chicken and add that to it too. You can find this recipe with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at